In this tutorial, I'm gonna be walking through how to check when you buy your Apple Watch. To check, go to your iPhone and just open My Watch app. And in Watch app, select My Watch. And here, just tap on General and tap on About. Here, tap on Limited Warranty. And here you get your Apple Watch limited warranty expires date. So as you can see, my Apple Watch expire date is May 28, 2026. Now I'm showing you something. So here, as you can see, every Apple Watch comes with 1 year of hardware repair coverage. So whenever we purchase a new Apple Watch, we get 1 year warranty. So here, if I calculate here May 2026, then I have purchased my Apple Watch at May 2025. So that's how you can actually check our Apple Watch buying date.